Prepare the platform body and installation accessories. Slide to MA30 square head bolts into the front bottom slots on each side of the roof rack platform. Slide to MA20 square head bolts into the rear slots, one on each side. Take out the 4 mounting brackets and make sure to distinguish front, rear, left, and right. Loosen the screws on the mounting bracket. Be careful not to screw out. Install the 4 mounting brackets onto the underside of the roof rack platform according to their labeled positions. Install the front brackets using MA30 square head bolts, 10mm washers, double hole washers, and M8 lock nuts. Install the rear brackets using M820 square head bolts, double hole washers, and M8 lock nuts, 2 on each side. Make sure to distinguish front, rear, left, and right. Do not fully tighten the nuts yet. Lift the roof platform to the front and rear of the roof. Refer to the following dimensions. Adjust platform position, centered on the roof. Clamp the clamping bracket to the original roof rail. Tighten the screws. Torque 6-7 Nm when tightened. Tighten the nuts that hold the bracket to the roof platform. 20-21 Nm torque when tightened. Snap the trim cover into the bracket in sequence from the outside. Installation complete.